Introduce highlight features or overview summary for CHRIMEFLAME dual wireless lavalier microphone. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include automatic connection and easy to use. Our wireless lapel microphone has a plug-and-play design that makes it easy to get started. Simply connect the receiver to your device via a lightning cable, Type-C cable, 3.5mm port, USB adapter, and the wireless microphones will connect automatically. No driver installation or app download is required, making it an incredibly user-friendly option. Compatible with all devices. Our lavalier mic is perfect for camera, GoPro, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, tablet, desktop PC, laptop, MacBook, iMac, voice amplifier, speaker, making it suit for a range of applications, including interview, meeting, podcast, vlogging, live streaming, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and more. You can use the same microphone for all of your needs. Dual noise cancelling and superior audio quality. Featuring a built-in noise reduction chip and 2.4 GHz signal transmission, our camera microphone delivers crystal clear sound in real time with minimal background noise. The furry windscreen also helps to improve audio quality in outdoor environments, ensuring an immersive listening experience for your viewers. Portable and convenient storage. Our mini mic comes with a storage case and extra clip, making it easy to carry and clip onto your shirt or hold by hand. The dual Bluetooth lapel microphone lets you use two microphones simultaneously or independently. The wireless mic for cameras or other devices is ideal for on-the-go streaming. 65 feet audio range. With a large capacity rechargeable battery and low power chip, our camera mic offers more than 6 hours on a single charge. The wireless range extends up to 65 feet, allowing you to record high-fidelity audio indoors and outdoors from a distance. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.